Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove contacts and silence notifications work focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Work. Then after that, in the work focus, click people under the notifications. Then after that, in the notifications, click the negative sign on your contact list under the silence notifications from to remove the contact person. And it is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed contacts and silence notifications work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!